it's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up.
DoBox Mini is a truly wireless, all-in-one hub compatible with all iOS devices. Just connect it to your home Wi-Fi network, and you can manage its features with our free app. DoBox Mini has multiple ports, so you can connect almost any device to it. For the first time ever, you can use a traditional mouse and keyboard on your iPad in our app. Use our built-in browser for all online tasks, just like on a Mac. Leave your MacBook at home and control it remotely with our unique screen sharing client based on VNC technology. Or you can back up all your files to its internal storage. Plug in a micro SD card to extend the storage or connect a flash drive to access your files. DoBox Mini comes with 32 GB internal storage. Manage your photos, videos, and documents easily, wirelessly, and securely, and share them with your MacBook or PC. Play your favorite music wirelessly on any wired speaker. Connect it to your TV and use our app as a remote controller to play videos. DoBox Mini is compatible with every iPhone and iPad version. Get yours today!
Introducing Nemuix, a bookmark light engineered to complement your night. Use Nemuix as you conduct your favorite nighttime activity, reading. Special low blue lights minimizes the quality of high bioactive wavelength, other artificial light, and digital devices. Research shows that these low-intensity amber bulbs don't trip your brain's melatonin shut-off switch. Paper thin, printed on conductive thin film. Nanoparticles are added to the silver conductive ink, designed as an open circuit until you place it in a nightstand position. Nemuix is our second-generation product, and our trusted manufacturing partners are ready to go.
Perfect. Get out of there.
Wait, that's my shoe, bro. This is a smart safe. Whether we're going out of town for a few days, or we're just having guests over, we like to keep our valuables hidden and secure.
Smart safes are a line of products designed to look like everyday household objects, but are actually hidden compartments. We tried other safes and they were either way too big and bulky, or they just took way too long to get into. Which can be a problem when storing objects you need daily access to, like jewelry or prescription medication. The vent fits between two studs, which makes it easy for anyone to install.
Smart safes use your phone to open up, and they give you a variety of ways to access your safe. Different open options allow me to customize my level of security. Oh, and if you don't have a smartphone or you just don't want to use one, you can always use your RFID card to open up.
The app keeps track every time your smart safe's used. Now you know who opens your safe and when. The shelves come in a variety of colors and styles, which makes it easy to find the one that matches your home. Now your valuables are locked and secured while conveniently accessible.
Hidden in plain sight.
Hi, I'm Luke, and this is my dad, Mike.
And we are the creators of smart safes. We know everyone has valuables that they want to lock up. So we've created safes that are affordable, convenient, and practical.
In the past, you may have seen our safes that use RFID keys only. We now want to start using our smartphones and utilize the technology that comes with them. Please back us today to help us complete this project.
Thank you for your support, and be safe.
The Songmaker Kit from Rolly gives you all you need to make a track anywhere. It combines 3 cutting-edge controllers, the Seaboard Block, the Lightpad Block M, and the Loop Block. These touch-responsive surfaces connect together and integrate seamlessly with software tools so that you can create your sound and compose your track. The Songmaker Kit software package is an incredible value. It includes 2 desktop sound engines, the Noise app for creating on the go, and 2 digital audio workstations. No matter what your workflow is, you can take your track from start to finish with the Songmaker Kit. Start by pairing your blocks with Rolly's app Noise. Record and control loops with the Loop Block. Play melodies and chords on the Seaboard Block by pressing, gliding, and sliding your fingers on the touch-responsive surface. Play drums on the Lightpad Block, which features the same touch sensitivity as the Seaboard Block, and reconfigure its illuminated surface for playing in scales, launching clips, and mixing. You can choose from hundreds of sounds, either in the Noise app or in Equator, Rolly's sound engine that's custom made for MPE. Take your track to the next level by bringing loops into your preferred digital audio workstation. Customize your blocks to control your favorite plugins, add effects, and much more in Block's dashboard. However you choose to make your track, the Songmaker Kit has everything you need. It's also wireless, lightweight, and comes with a protective snap case so you can easily create on the go.